Hi there. This video is on how to get started doing the MyStatLab homework and quizzes. So let's suppose that you've seen some videos, read the textbook on the relevant section that you're trying to do homework on, and you're ready to actually give it a go and see if you can answer the questions. So you'll need to head over to MyStatLab, and this is my version of the homepage, and you can go to Assignments. And in the assignments tab, you'll see the first assignment here is homework number 1, sections 1-1 through 1-3. And quiz number 1 is for homework number 1. So quiz number 1 covers the same sections, 1-1 through 1-3. Our second homework assignment, which is 2-1 through 2-4. And the second quiz covers these sections 2-1 through 2-4. So the homework and the quizzes are paired up. So you'll do the homework, and after you feel comfortable with the homework problems, you'll do the quiz, which is how you earn the points. It's like a homework quiz for the assignments. Okay, so we're going to start off by going to this homework. And the way the homework is organized, there's all kinds of problems here you can skip around. But the first set of problems, in this case about the first 12, are going to be on section 1.1. And the next 12 problems are in section 1.2, and then the last 12-ish problems are in section 1.3. So even if you've only learned section 1.1, you can still come and still do the first third of the assignment here. So let's suppose, the green check marks means I've gotten them correct. Red X means either I got it wrong or I've asked it just to try again because I want to get more practice on that same question. So I'm going to go to question 1, which I had it make a new version of. And you can see where it'll pop up here with the information about the question and all kinds of help options as well. So for question number 1, they have some more information up here, but let me guide your eyes up here. It talks about the fact that this is the first question on the homework, and it's from section 1.1, and it's the first question in the test bank. So question number 1 from 1.1. When you start seeing 1.2, that means it's for section 1.2. So you'll know if you haven't watched the videos yet for 1.2 that you might want to do that, or you can give it a try anyway. These problems are repeatable as much as you want. There's no time limit except when the homework expires at the due date. So you can feel free to use this as a learning platform to sort of try to make sure you understand the material, and you can retry problems as much as you wish. There's no penalties for any of these problems because you're just trying to learn to do well on the quiz. There are help options down below. These vary on the problem, where you can get animation, you can get a step-by-step process and how the problem works. It links you to the textbook, etc. All right, so once you answer the questions, it'll go on to other questions, or you can skip around as you wish. All right, so if you've done a bunch of homework problems and you're ready to give it a go and try to actually get the points for the homework, which is on the quiz, I'm going to exit out of this thing right here. Let's go back to assignments. And I'm going to try the quiz. Now, the quiz is a bit different than the homework in that you're only allowed 2 attempts, and it's timed, and you don't have any of those help features. So if I go to the quiz, it's not going to be as long. This is about 1/3 as long as the homework assignments, and the problems in there are chosen randomly from the same test bank that the homework problems are chosen from. So it'll be the same types of problems, but it'll be a little bit different because it's a different question. You only get 2 attempts, and you only have 60 minutes per attempt. So you have to be ready to start. And when you start the quiz, it'll start the little timer thing. And the questions now do not go in order. So question number 1 will not necessarily be from section 1.1. It can be from any of the sections that are on the quiz, 1.1 through 1.3. You can skip around like you did before, but you'll notice there's no more help features available. And it gives you a time remaining as well down there. So that's how the quizzes work, and the quiz is how you get your points. If you've taken homework quizzes before, you do a bunch of homework to make sure you do well on the homework quiz. This is the homework quiz where you actually get the points for your grade. So that's the homeworks and the quizzes. After you've tried a few homework problems, You can reach out to me if you have any questions and then give a quiz a try. Once you finish the quiz and find your score, you can redo it. So it is possible if you go back and redo a bunch of homework problems, get some questions answered, and try to do the quiz again, you'll get the higher of your two quiz grades. So there's no penalty for retrying a quiz. All right, so that's how to get started on the homeworks and quizzes. Please let me know if you have any additional questions, or of course, if I can help with anything. All right, good luck.